Our today's topic is very interesting. It is related to simultaneous linear equations. Generally, 4 to 5 questions related to this are asked in your Olympiad and IPM exams. Okay, and it can be worded problem or it can be numerical. Anything is possible. Now, what is simultaneous linear equation? See, you all know normal linear equation with one variable. That is, suppose it is 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. So you know how to solve this. You will transpose 6 to the right hand side. So it will become 3x is equal to 6, and then you will divide it by 3 on both the sides. So you will get, this 3 will get cancelled. So you will get an answer as 2. Correct? So your x is equal to 2. आपको यहाँ पर solution मिल गया. Okay. Now this was only one variable, one unknown variable, that is x. Now suppose if you have two variables in the equation and you have two such equations, two linear equations with two unknown variables. That is, suppose I will take an example of x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 3. So अब यहाँ पर क्या है? We are having two linear equations, 1 and 2, with two unknown variables x and y. Okay, so here what we have to do is we have to find such a solution set, means ऐसी values find out करनी है x और y की जो ये दोनों equations में पूरी proper suit होती हो. It is correct for both the equations, for this also and this also at the same time. So इसीलिए इसका नाम रखा गया है simultaneous linear equations. At the same time, this solution set is satisfying both the equations. Okay. So now we will understand it through various examples. Now let us take this same example. Let us this be our first example. So now here we are having two equations, x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 3. Okay. Here first there are two popular methods of solving simultaneous equation. One is substitution method and another is elimination method. Elimination method. Okay. So now this first example we will be solving by substitution method. Okay, ये substitution method हम यहाँ use करते हैं. Substitution method means what? See, what I will do is, this equation is there, x minus y is equal to 3. Now what I will do is I will keep x over here, y I will transpose to the next side on the right hand side. So what it will become? X is equal to 3 plus y. Correct? Now I will substitute this value of x in the first equation. Okay, ये हमारा first equation था. तो मैं इसमें इसको substitute करती हूँ इस value of x की, that is 3 plus y. So instead of x I will write here 3 plus y is equal to 5. So it becomes 3 plus 2y is equal to 5. So my 2y is equal to 3 will go on the right hand side, so will become minus 3. So my y is equal to 2 upon 2, that is 1. So मुझे 1 का value मिल गया, y का value मिल गया. Now by putting y in this equation in the second one, I will get my value of x. So x is equal to, or we can use this also, x is equal to 3 plus y. So here it will be x is equal to 3 plus y, that is 1. So it is equal to 4. So मुझे solution set इसका मिल गया. क्या मिला मुझे solution set? X is 4 and y is 1. Correct? So this is how you do by substitution. I substituted value of x in terms of y and then I got the value of y and then मैंने replace करके x और y दोनों find out कर लिया. तो ये हो गया हमारा substitution method. Okay. अब there is one more very popular. This is more popular. This is called elimination method. Okay. Just as the name suggests, it means that you have to eliminate. Okay. Now what you are going to do? अब eliminate क्या करना है, कैसे करना है? चलो, let us understand that. Substitution. The substitution method we already completed. We will do elimination method. Okay. So now in elimination method, what we have to do is we have to eliminate one variable so that we can find out the value of the other. Now chalo, what we will do is we will take the same example. यही वाला sum वापस लेते हैं. X plus y is one equation. X plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 3. ये equation, ये हमारा question था first वाले का. Same we are doing now with elimination method. Okay, so what you have to do is here you are having two variables, correct, in both the equation. So it is difficult to find the value. Now what we will do is we will eliminate one variable. So first आपको select करो, आपको कौन सा eliminate करना है. चलो इसमें अभी मैंने सोचा मुझे y eliminate करना है, ठीक है. तो x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 3. Now I have decided that I want to eliminate y. So what I will do first, I will write both the equations one below the other. Then I will draw a line like this. And then now when the sign of this coefficient, अब यहाँ क्या है, यहाँ पे 1 है, correct. So इसका sign क्या है, plus and minus, है ना. So there are different signs. So when there are different signs, what you will do is you will add the coefficients, okay. And when there are same signs, you will subtract. So ये आपको याद रखना है. Remember this, DASS, okay. With this you can solve the simultaneous equation very easily. Now what you will do, it is different signs, so you will add them. So add करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, plus minus, plus 1 minus 1, it will get cancelled. So this y coefficient got eliminated. What about others? This will get plus. So x plus x is 2x. This there is no sign, plus sign. So this will become 8. So our 2x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 divided by 2, that is 4. Correct? ये हमको x की वैल्यू मिल गई. Now how you will find out y? Same जैसे वहाँ पे किया था. 4 minus y, you replace in one equation and you will get in the second number equation, है ना. So ये क्या बन जाएगा? Our x is 4, so x minus y is equal to 3. So 4 minus 3 is equal to, y will go on the right hand side, is equal to y. So my y is equal to 1. Correct? So मेरे को solution set मिल गया 4 and 1. See, it is same, है ना. So whether we do by this method or this method, we will get the same answer. Now I will see, as this is very popular और इसमें there are many varieties of sums in this. So we will do more 2-3 sums in this. Okay. So our next sum what I am taking is 2x plus y is equal to 11 and x plus y is equal to 6. Up now here you see y and y same coefficient hai, 1 and 1, correct. So you can easily do it. Like what you can do is 2x plus y is equal to 11 and x plus y is equal to 6. Yes, but now what you observe, दोनों का sign same है, correct. Coefficient का sign दोनों का same है. So what you will do, you want to eliminate, but sign is same, so you cannot eliminate. So what you will do, when the signs are same, you will subtract, है ना. ये हमने rule सीखा है. So what we will do, subtract. So here it will become minus, this plus will become minus, this plus will become minus. So you just write them in small brackets. Okay. So now this is plus y minus y. So you can easily eliminate this. Plus y minus y 0 हो गया. Correct. And 2x minus x is x and 11 minus 6 is 5. So your value of x is 5. And what is your y now? If you replace here, ये 5 हो गया, 5 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 5, that is 1. So your solution set is 5 and 1. Correct? So now here it was easy. Like आपको y के आगे भी coefficient नहीं था, तो आपको कुछ इतना ज़्यादा difficulty नहीं हुई. Correct? So now what we will do is we will take some number which has different coefficients. So it will be a little bit tricky for you to do. Okay. So suppose what we take is 2x we will take it 6x plus 4y is equal to 34 and 5x plus 5y is equal to 30. So these are the two equations that we are having. This is number 1 and this is number 2. Now first decide which coefficient you want to eliminate. Okay, चलो now let us eliminate yx over here. हाँ, हमने डिसाइड किया कि हमको x एलिमिनेट करना है, बट x के कोएफिशिएंट्स डिफरेंट है, 6 और 5 है ना. तो इसका अब हम कैसे करेंगे? It is difficult. Correct, you cannot just, if you cancel, it will not become 0. There will be 1x will be left if you subtract, and if you add it will be 11x. So what you have to do? You have to find LCM of both of them, 5 and 6. So that comes to 30. Correct. So now what you will do? You will multiply first equation by 5 so that this x becomes 30. And you will multiply second equation by 6 so this second equation का x becomes 30. ठीक है, so पहले ये first second equation था. Now we will get two more new equations that will be called third and fourth. So our first equation will become 30x plus 20y is equal to 34 into 5 is how much? 20, 0, 2, 15, 16, 17. Correct? And then 6 into 5x, that is 30x, plus 6 into 5y, that is 30y, is equal to 6 into 6 into 30, that is 180. So we got this two equations. ये हमारा थर्ड और फोर्थ इक्वेशन आ गया. ठीक है. Now what we observe? Now the coefficients are same for x. Correct? And what is the sign? Sign is also same. Addition. अगर sign same होगा तो हमको क्या करना है? DASS. Same sign तो हमको subtract करना है ना? So what we will do? Subtract minus. Now what will happen? 30x minus 30x will become 0. It will get eliminated. What about others? 20y minus 30y, it will be minus 10y. 170 minus 180, minus 10. Correct? So now y is equal to minus 10 divided by minus 10. That will be equal to 1. So we have got value of y. Now we have to find out what is x. So x we can replace it in any of the equation and find out. So 6x plus, we are replacing in first one. 6x plus 4y, y is 1, is equal to 34. So 6x is equal to 6x plus 4 is equal to 34. 6x is equal to 34 minus 4, that is 30. So my 6x is, so my x is 30 divided by 6, that is 5. Okay, so my solution set for the given problems are, for the given two linear equations is 5 and 1. Okay, you can even cross check whether this is working for both the equations or not. Chalo, let us cross check for the second one equation. Second equation क्या है? 5x, so 5 into 5 plus 5y 5 into 1 is equal to how much? 25 plus 5, that is 30. So है ना, ये थर्ड इक्वेशन के लिए करेक्ट हो गया. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में भी डाल के देखो, सेकेंड इक्वेशन के लिए करेक्ट हो गया. अभी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन 6x plus 4y is equal to 30 plus 4, 34. Correct? So even first equation is satisfied. It means that our solution set is correct. Okay. Now see, there are special cases in this, like what happens, you know, the coefficients are same. Coefficients are same for both the numbers. जैसे in linear equation, both the linear equations have the same coefficient, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. I'm giving you one example. 3x plus 2y is equal to 13. And you have to find out what is x minus y. Okay, or you can just find out what is x and y, what is y. So see, now while observing, what you feel that coefficients तो different है. But here see, the coefficients are interchanged. That is, यहाँ x का coefficient यहाँ y का है, यहाँ y का coefficient यहाँ x का है ना? So there is easy method to solve this. What you will do? You just add both of them. Once you will add them and once you will subtract. So when you add, what will happen? It will become 5x plus 5y is equal to 25. Now divide this whole equation by 5. So you will get x plus y is equal to 5. सो ये आपका फर्स्ट इक्वेशन हो गया. ओके, अब सेकेंड इक्वेशन के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, जो ऊपर दोनों इक्वेशंस दिए हैं उनको हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, सो वंस यू ऐड देम and once you subtract them when the coefficients are interchanged for the two variables. Now we will subtract them. Okay, so what will happen, 2x minus 3x will give you minus x, 3y minus 2y will give you plus y, is equal to 12 minus 13 will give you minus 1. Correct, so what you got now, minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. So उसका मीनिंग क्या होता है, x minus y is equal to 1. You just change the signs, opposite कर लो, तो x minus y is equal to 1. So हमको आंसर मिल गया, x minus y चाहिए था ना हमको, हमारा क्वेश्चन था, तो x minus y is 1. Now suppose if they ask you कि find out values of x and y, so हम आगे इसको और further solve कर सकते हैं. ठीक है ना, तो हमने ये वाला इक्वेशन भी ले लिया 1 वाला, और हम ये 2 वाला था, हमने 1 वाला ले लिया. अब क्या होगा, ये ऑपोजिट साइंस है कोएफिशिएंट का यहाँ पर, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको हम डिफरेंट साइंस ऐड, सो वी विल जस्ट ऐड देम. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, x plus x 2x minus y plus y will get eliminated, and then 5 plus 1 is 6. So my x is equal to 3 and y will be, अब मैं I will replace in this equation, अगर suppose ये मैं 1 में डाल देती हूँ तो क्या होगा, my y is equal to 2. So my solution set is 3 and 2. Correct? Okay, so this is one method to solve the equations when there are coefficients are interchanged. This is easier method. Just add कर दिया और उनको subtract कर दिया. So you don't have to take LCM और वो सब नहीं करने की जरूरत है. Okay, now we will do few worded problems of this. Okay, worded problems बहुत important है, बहुत सारे आते हैं इसमें, and you can solve them very easily. Age related problems होते हैं, या फिर suppose cost of table and chair is given, or suppose number of two numbers are given, and then you have to find out, and two numbers are given and their difference is given. So how will you find out? So these type of problems are very easy to solve by simultaneous equations. Okay, so suppose if I give you one problem, like if one number is thrice the other and their difference is 16, find the numbers. Okay, so now you can frame the question, let one number be x, other number be y. One number is thrice the other, so x is equal to 3y. It means x minus 3y is equal to 0. So ये बन गया हमारा first linear equation. And their difference is 16. Their difference is 16 means x minus y is equal to 16. So this is our second linear equation. So now we have got two simultaneous linear equations. So we will solve this now. How to solve this? Chalo, what we will do by elimination method, because coefficient भी same है, so it is easier. Now both coefficient का क्या है, plus plus है, addition है, both are same. Now when they are same, what do? Yes, we subtract. So now we will subtract the equations. So this minus minus will become plus, this will become minus. So what will happen, x minus x cancel हो जाएगा, और यहाँ पर minus 3y plus y will become minus 2y, and this will become minus 16. So my y is equal to minus 16 upon minus 2, that is 8. And what is my x? My x is thrice y, so it becomes 24. Okay, so the two numbers are 24 and 8. See, so easy it is to find two variables by simultaneous equations. Now this was our fifth example. Now let us go to the sixth one. One last worded problem we will do, and that is related to ages. Anil's age is twice age of Sunil. 3 years ago, Anil was thrice the age of Sunil. Find age of Anil. Okay. Now Anil's age is one variable, Sunil's age is another variable. So let Anil's age be A, and Anil's age is twice age of Sunil. Is twice age of Sunil. Let Sunil's age be S. So now our equation is A minus 2S is equal to 0 is our first equation. 3 years ago, Anil was thrice. 3 years ago. So 3 years ago. It means Anil's age was what? A minus 3. है ना? So he was thrice the age of Sunil. Thrice the age of Sunil. Sunil का age क्या होगा 3 years ago? Sunil का age होगा S minus 3. So this is A minus 3 is equal to 3S minus 9. So A minus 3S is equal to 9 plus 3, that is A minus 3S is equal to 12. This is our second linear equation. So now we have two simultaneous linear equations with variables A and S. Correct? So we will solve both of them. A minus 2S is equal to 0 and A minus 3S is equal to 12. So here also what we observe, A और A दोनों प्लस है तो हम इसको इजीली एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं. 1 कोएफिशिएंट है तो हमको मल्टीप्लाई करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ. So what we will do, what signs? Yes, they are having same sign, so we will subtract. So this minus will become plus, this will become minus. ये A minus A cancel हो गया. So what is left? Minus 2 plus 3. That will give me plus S is equal to minus 12. No, there is some mistake. 1 minute. Let me just check. A minus 2S is equal to 0. Is twice, correct? So A minus 3 is equal to 3S minus 9. So A minus, let me read this. 3 years ago, Anil was thrice the age of Sunil. 3 years ago, Anil was thrice the age of Sunil. Okay. So A minus 3 is equal to 3S minus 9. A minus 3S is equal to, here it was minus. Minus 9 plus 3. So this will become minus 12. Sorry, I made a silly mistake. The minus sign was not taken. So this thing is, our second equation is A minus 3S minus 12. So what will happen now when I change the sign? This minus will become plus 12. है ना? So यहाँ पर ये plus 12 हो जाएगा. 0 plus 12. So Sunil's age is 12. And what will be Anil's age now? Anil's age is twice the Sunil's age. So it is 2 into 12, that is 24 years. This is our answer. Okay. So yeah, now today we have solved few worded problems and we have solved few numerical problems as well. So this concept of simultaneous equation would have been clear to you. And practice this concept. This is very important concept and it is very useful to solve lot many problems. So practice this and we will come up with an interesting super solver at 9 p.m. and solve that as soon as possible. Okay, thank you.